Morning, Amu. Sure, why not? Okay, play me some music, please. Not really. Okay, let's open a project. Show me the dashboard, please. Okay, switch off the audio. I'm gonna narrate what I'm doing now. So yeah, I've turned off the audio so I can talk through this. It's a little bit more complex and I don't want AI interpreting commands because this is really just, you can think of it as an automated service builder. So it's not like AWS where you have to go and configure everything. Amu will configure it for you. If there's stuff that you don't know, she'll talk you through it. Generally speaking though, everything will be set to defaults and then you can like pick settings and then Amu will open up the YAML and go through the YAML file or the configuration JSON with you, rather than you having to define everything yourself, because obviously some fields you won't know and Amu will tell you, okay, this field is for that, what do you want it to be? And if there's any errors in building it, Amu will unpick them. Alternatively, you can just edit the file yourself, or you can do it in dual edit mode, so you kind of code alongside Amu to try and change it to whatever you want it to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a Git repository automatically. So this is all, so we'll just create one called my Amu demo and demo automation Amu. That's just the description I picked. So I'm just going to select the folder that I'm going to have her create the repo in. So the interesting thing here is I kind of built everything here, like all of the GUI, all of the automation, the configuration code is, so I built my own infra as code markup. And what else can I say? So yeah, we'll just do some other stuff while I think about what I want to say. So I'll create a conda environment. So this is like, you can imagine like Amu will create all the bits so you'll have like a ready to go, fully deployed environment to start development with or start working on, or even just a ready to go app. So this is just, I'll just call it like demo 2, because I think I did the demo 1. So we'll use Python 3.8, and then these are like the imports, things that you'll build the environment up with. So again, rather than having to explicitly define them all, you could ask Amu, I've switched the audio off, so you could ask Amu to low level, pick what versions you want, but I'll just go for this. So I'll let Amu go away and build that just now. So yeah, I mean, I can build a project in sync just now, but it's like see it green and go to blue. So that's all done. Before we move on, we'll go and look at and validate the Git repo. So if I go to GitHub, and then if I go to look at the one that says actually being built, so go my repos. So I think it's this one. So it's, yeah, just created a minute ago. So that's all created basic repo there. And then if we look at the contents, so I think it's got the my Amu demo. So you can see the conda environment's built there. So I could do a conda end list. So conda end list to just show that the environment's been built. So I think we call it demo 2. I'll go and build a web package or maybe a database or something. So yeah, we'll do that. We'll just call it, I don't know, like my web package. So at the moment, everything's in Fast API, but similar to what I'm going to do with the database is I'll add in Flask and Django later, since it's all going to be done in my dynamic configuration language anyway. So it's not just plugins and integrations and all that bit and all that stuff. But I try to keep away from that as much as possible and just code everything up myself. So I'm going to go away working on building on this database, and if I go back to the files, you can see the web package being created, and so yeah, that's it really. So the idea is this is just one feature of sort of what Amu can do. So it's a kind of daily assistant. It's not just helping you code, but that's a big part of it. It'll manage your emails, do some sort of mental health stuff, talks to you, all of your sort of PA work. I guess maybe I could show some PA stuff, but I'll do that in another demo. So hopefully that looked interesting and looked like something that would be valuable. I think it's going to be helpful to people who maybe don't have a lot of time and just want to roll out an application in the Kubernetes cluster, almost like a all-you-can-eat service, or maybe for lower-level developers who don't want to waste time getting an environment set up and getting bits and bobs like databases and skeleton unit tests put together. This will do it all for you. So that's it for now. The aim is to have about 50 services by probably the end of next month. So thanks for watching.